Let's fill out the Kansas boat bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Welcome to this quick overview of what you'll need for a boat bill of sale in this state. Let's walk through it together. First, when it comes to signing, all signatures must be in original ink, so no photocopies or digital signatures will do here. If the person listed on the title needs someone else to handle the transaction on their behalf, a power of attorney will be required to make that official. Now, for the sale price. This state uses it to calculate a tax rate of 6.25%. So make sure the purchase price is clearly documented on your paperwork. The date of purchase matters too. The buyer's date of title assignment needs to be included, and you'll want to get everything submitted within 60 days of the date you purchased the vehicle. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.